Let's continue. So next topic is number of the candles. So when I said that that's what we do in our family, it's not necessarily like you must follow. I mean, it's many things. Based on our research, based on our comparison, that's I found that's the best way for us to do things. But as we said, halacha in many cases flexible. The number of the candles. Custom to vary to how many candles should be lit for Hadlakas Neiros. Although one may certainly fulfill the mitzvah with just one candle, as we said before, one candle is enough, right? The standard custom is to light minimum two, represented the two words Zachor and Shamor. So Zachor and Shamor where did it come from? One second. It says, as mentioned, is Aseras Chadibros in connection with Shabbos. So Aseras Chadibros is 10 commandments. So they mentioned twice in the Chumash. About Shabbos, it's like in the line of Shabbos, two different words usually in first saying and a second saying, right? So why in our sage, what is Zachor and Shamor? It says I apologize. So one is connected with the positive mitzvahs, so that positive mitzvah that we must do, and one Shamor is like to protect. Protect meaning not to do negative mitzvahs. So what is the positive mitzvah? One of the positive mitzvahs to light the Shabbos candles, to do kiddush, to eat three meals, to daven special musaf prayers on Shabbos. All of this to dress properly on Shabbos. So that those are positive, and Shamor to guard Shabbos. Not to desecrate, not to light the light on Shabbos, and not to do all of the other 39 melachos. Okay. Some have a practice to add one candle for each child born into the family, in addition to original two. That's what we do, but again, it's not necessary. Sometimes, people, some women, they're afraid of the fire, even though I know some families. So the wife is afraid that these candles would cause the fire, even though she's been lying for 20 years, and it did not happen. I mean, what is proper is to have some metal tray, underneath, or some have a glass tray, or from some other material that is not going to burn, fire resistant material, and that's it. So even if candle, for example, if it's going to fall, it's going to fall on this tray. Most likely it's going to finish burning there. And that's it. But if she's afraid, she wants only two candles, and they're in the middle of the tray, no problem. So as we said, there is no problem whatsoever. Okay. This is based on the Gemara that says that whoever is careful with the laws of candle lighting will have sons who are Torah scholars. That's and that's actually in a prayer that women say after the lighting of the candles. Since Torah is compared to light, whoever lights the candle brings Torah into the world. That's straightforward connection. Torah is a light. And woman, of course, who else? she encourages the children to learn Torah. She's getting this little boy to school, right? To yeshiva. She's checking his homework. Who else, right? So in some sense, so she lights this Torah, this candle, with this child. Each candle represents another child who will, if it is hoped. It is hoped who will bring the light of the Torah into the world. So of course it's concerned men and women. So women also, they bring the light of the Torah in the world by encouraging their husbands. They their children, to giving them opportunity. If the husband has to do all the housework all the time and help and spend all of the free time with her, so when exactly he's going to have time to learn Torah? Maybe that's what he wants. But the woman's job is actually kick him out and out of the house, make sure that he's going to attend a lecture or watch on a computer, I don't know, somewhere, to watch lecture and participate and learn with somebody on the phone, or the internet, do something, right? But it's up to her. So she's the one who lights the candles. Generally, the custom regarding Hadlakas Neiros follows those of wife's family, not the husband, as opposed to other area of halacha. That's very interesting. Wow, I've never seen this halacha before. Very interesting. Now, he said generally the custom is regarded. So what does it mean? So if husband's family have this tradition, or whatever they do, for example, if he is Ashkenaz, right, and she's Sephardic, so when they get married, so she forgets whatever she was doing in her father's house and does according to what husband do, right? So otherwise it would be controversy that sometimes it's not reconcilable. Okay, that's halacha is very quick, it's very fast, it's very clear. She was in a father's house. She did exactly as father did. She married this person, so she does as a person does, the husband of hers. Right? In all of the halachas, of course, if it's not that stringent and this and that, and it does not affect anybody, so she can keep the old halachas, but he must permit her. Right? Not halachas, customs. Right? But some of them are very like it cannot they simply cannot coexist. Absolutely not. I give you one example that for example is as follows. Sephardic custom, at least those, not everybody, but everybody who follows Rabbi Ovadia Yosef Zatzal and others who rule similarly, so they can warm liquids on Shabbos. So what does it mean? They can take soup from the refrigerator and put on a blech, and they warm on a platter or whatever they use, and they can warm up the food and eat. There is no problem. Enjoy. For Ashkenazi person, if he does it, this soup is forbidden until after Shabbos. You understand? It's like yeah. So if you do it in front of other Ashkenazi family or friends, so they the next time they eat, if they got 20 people in your house, practically never. You understand? So these two customs not reconcilable. So you have to go by whatever husband custom is, which is stricter, but okay. And opposite is true. So if she's an Ashkenazi woman and she marries a Sephardi person, and he said there is no problem whatsoever, take the soup, take some stew that have gravy, chicken that has gravy, and put it on a blech, on a platter. There is no problem. Okay, so that's what she does. Okay, so she forgets all of the tradition in her father's house and does as a husband. Tells her there is that's the proper way, right, to respect in one husbands. But here it's very interesting. They say in this case, since the way I understand, since it's her own way, like I mean it's this halach of lighting candles, it's like mostly depend on a woman, right? So we allowed her, outside you say, whatever her mother's custom was, whatever her own custom is, so let her do, let her husband do not intervene, because it's not, I mean, it's not so critical as for example, the example that I just gave you is warming up food. You understand? So that's the thing. It's very interesting.